How to create a username on Signal. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. A Signal username lets people connect with you without needing to know your phone number, so you can create, change or remove your username at any time. First of all, open the Signal application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. From the main homepage, tap on your profile icon or your picture at the top left corner. Now, in the expanded pop-up menu, click on Settings. Inside Settings, tap on your name at the top, and on the next page, tap on Username. Now you can go ahead and create a new username for yourself. Go ahead and write down a new username you want to use or change to, and tap on the check mark at the top right. After you do that, you will be able to change your username successfully. Usernames must be unique, so two Signal users cannot have the same username. Make sure that it is unique and you have successfully created a new username for your Signal account. Your Signal username is now ready to share, making it easier for others to find and message you on Signal. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.